What is up, people? Today I'm going to be opening packs on Madden Mobile. You see, I've got one of the best packs like ever, the Cornucopia packs. I just went and bought a whole bunch of packs. So today we're going to be opening all these packs, and I will start off with probably the worst one, the rookie pack. Here we go. The silver player. Alright, so we're going to open all these all rookie packs. Let's see if you get. Obviously, if you get a gold, we'll be lucky. But generally, these packs are just not good. So, we're just going to open all these. Pick up some silver and bronze players, leave them for sets, you know. It's always good to have silver and bronze players, but that's not what we're here for. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gold. Nope. And alright, so all lucky packs is silver and bronze. So we're gonna go to the pro packs. The most common pack ever. Let's go. Yeah, I got like, I don't know how many. But here we go. First pack, we are going to pull Deontay Thompson. I can't speak. Here we go. Gonna rip through these. Anthony 11 Senior. Alright. Pro pack. Come on, we're only getting 70s. Come on. Probably not gonna get an elite. I wish. I pulled like 3 elites out of pro packs when I started playing. At least we're getting like 73s, not 70s, so not that bad, but come on, okay, let's get one elite. Probably that. I don't understand why am I expecting to get an elite? Like, I got a coach. Alright, so final pro pack, and Eddie Lacy. That's actually not that bad. Alright. Super pro packs, so it's better. It's just a, I don't know what to call it, just a, a better version of pro pack, I guess. I don't know. But look at it. Oh, we get, is that Mason Crosby's only a 73? Man, I thought he was like really good. It's like one of the few kickers I actually know. But alright. Glenn Gronkowski. I saw Patriots and I saw Gronkowski and I got hyped. Wow. Glenn Gronkowski. That's just... Whew, I got hyped for a second. Alright. Update. Quentin Demps. I was about to say. Dang. Alright, no elites out of those, but here we go. The 3 best packs that I have. 2 of the huddle packs and the legendary Cornucopia packs. Only have one of them, but like 2,000 Madden cash. Alright, here we go. Huddle pack. Oh. Legends collectible. Rising. Oh, come on, elites. Elite. Come on. I thought people. Oh, a Legends collectible. What? Duh. Alright. Come on. I got a feeling about this. This is gonna be a good pack. Tokens. Collectible. Bronze player. Gold. Well, that's not that bad. Gold, bronze, gold, and yes! I have enough to do the Rising Stars. I have 10 Rising Stars things now. That is awesome, alright. I am happy about that. That was actually worth it. And here we go. The Cornucopia pack. This pack is like, I'm so hyped. I better not get trash out of this, bro. Like, I gotta get something good out of this. Like, I'm hyped. Let's go. Come on. Cornucopia pack. Oh, I'm so hyped. Let's get it. I'm legit scared I'm gonna get like nothing good. Where's our elite player? I know we have an elite in this. Come on, shake. Shake. Where is it? Where's the elite? I know we have the. It said okay. It has one. It's just not shaking. There. Let's go. 87 Color Rush. Rob Gronkowski. Let's go. Hype. Oh, that is so awesome. That is just. Oh, this is so good, man. The first card. Oh, I know that. Wow. Oh, that's good enough already, bro. Oh, that's so good. That is so good, man. I'm not even gonna get anything else. I don't even care. That was like the best pack I've ever opened. I got like, that was so good. 87 Rob Gronkowski. Alright, let's do this. Hey, here's what we're gonna do. Since he's obviously better than my Jimmy Graham, I'm gonna sub him in and I'm gonna train him. Oh, he's gonna be a beast. He's gonna be a beast. 5 levels. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Let's get him up. I'm not gonna try 93 overall. That is awesome. Let's go. Rob Gronkowski. And I get to get a Rising Stars player, so that's good. Who should I get though? Wait, do I even have enough? Alright, I have enough. Alright. I was gonna make sure so I didn't go all the way to the set and like, I don't need a middle linebacker. Do I have any safety? Okay, I'm gonna get the safety. I need Sean Davis. Alright, here we go. Let's go. That's right. There we go. Alright. Gonna go ahead and train him. Safety. No, I'm not gonna. Yes, I'm gonna train him. Nah, I'll leave him at 80. Alright. Things are looking good for my team, man. I just need some. I don't pull linemen. Like, I have to buy them off, like, the. I actually did pull the 2 elite linemen that I have, but I only pull, like, receivers and. Like, I don't pull any linemen, but. Things are looking good, people. Like, I'm about to get an all elite team. If I can get. I just need a few more players and special teams, but. Things are looking good, so I'm going to end the video there. Thank you guys for watching, and get the Cornucopia packs, guys. The Cornucopia packs are, like, just so good, so, alright, see you guys later.